Hey, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Today we're going to quickly show you how to change the rear wiper on your favorite Chevy Suburban. Now the rear wiper on the back of your Suburban is going to be a 16-inch wiper. You can buy these from your local auto parts store or your favorite online retailer. But once you have the new one in, it's ready to swap it out. Alright, so in order to start this process, first thing I'm going to do is lift the wiper up out of the holder on the back of the door. Using one hand, I'll hold the wiper out. Now the wiper itself, there's going to be a detent tab on the arm that I need to squeeze with my opposite hand. And then I'm going to pull the wiper towards the center of the vehicle to get it off the detent. So now the detent itself has got this small plastic piece. You can see the tab here with my thumb. I'm just going to pinch that in, and that allows this to unclip from the wiper arm. Once you then pull the wiper arm off, you can then put the wiper arm piece through this hole in the wiper, and it will come off nice and easy. Now in order to reinstall this, I'm going to put in the wiper arm, the curl, down into the wiper itself, and I'm going to pull it towards the outside of the vehicle until it snaps. So again, pull the wiper arm up, put the detent of the arm in, and I'm going to pull it away from the center towards the vehicle. Now once you get to the point it snaps and detents in, you can then push, make sure it's on, and then you can set the wiper down in. That's it. Very simple job, and that's it for today. So if you like these little instructionals on how to replace and do maintenance on your vehicles, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time from Basin Motorsports.